46 monuments have been identified for the restoration in the Commonwealth Games. We are here to know the opinions of the students of mass media. What are your opinions on the recent restoration programs taken up by the government?
Yeah, it's good if they are doing something for the monuments. It's well and good because it doesn't matter that just because of CWG they are doing this. But I think it's very good that at least because the monuments are the history of India. So definitely they should protect it, they should save it. So it's very, very good that at least they are doing something for the monuments.
Yes, I think it's a very good initiative by the government. There are many such monuments which are present in our country which need some look after. On the eve of Commonwealth Game, government is giving some attention to these monuments. It's good, but it should not be something like when there is big event going to happen in our country, we are just look after all those monuments.
जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं दिल्ली के अंदर बारिश का दौर चल रहा है और इसी बीच में आप लोग सभी इस बारिश का मजा ले रहे होंगे, एंजॉय कर रहे होंगे। लेकिन इसी बीच के अंदर दिल्ली सरकार के द्वारा लिया गया रिनोवेशन का काम, जिसके अंतर्गत बहुत सारे ऐतिहासिक इमारतों का रिनोवेट किया जा रहा है और शीला दीक्षित के द्वारा उठाया गया काम, जिसके अंतर्गत क्लीनिंग प्रोसेस चलाई जा रही है। तो आइए जानते हैं इसके उपस्थित यहाँ लोगों की राय कि इस बारिश का इफेक्ट क्या पड़ने वाला है, इस रिनोवेशन का जो काम चल रहा है इसके ऊपर। क्या ये अभी होना चाहिए था या पहले, इसके बारे में जानते हैं जनता की राय। क्या कहना है आपका इस बारे में? जैसा कि आप देख रहे हो कि शीला दीक्षित के द्वारा लिया गया एक्शन है, क्लीनिंग प्रोसेस और रिनोवेशन का काम, तो आपको क्या कहना है इसके बारे में?
See, you are talking about the renovation and the cleanliness, but the most important is that we don't know that the Commonwealth Game will happen or not. We should keep our finger crossed that this rain can hamper the whole Commonwealth Game, and for the renovation work or cleanliness, our government is already very late. And for cleanliness, I want to say something that this is not the only job of government. We all Indians should protect our locality. We should clean our locality. This type of initiative has already taken by our government many times. The burning example is Yamuna. Many times the government has taken the initiative, but the result we all know. So for this, I blame the citizen of Delhi has also a big role. That's it.
आपके इसके बारे में क्या कहना है?
The government's efforts to push everything under the carpet has been shown outside. The carpet is gone and everything is visible. The government should have looked for a permanent measure rather than for a temporary. This is a complete fault of the government. Rather than hurrying, they should have thought, if a person runs, he'll be tired. It is the responsibility of the government to take a slow measure in order to have a permanent solution.
What's your about this?
See, first of all, I would like to say that the media is concerned about the delay in the work, but no one is concerned about the laborers working over here. They have been suffering for months over here. They are having skin diseases, then they are also having problems with the mosquitoes and food problem, but there is no one to help them out. So I would request everyone, including the government, to help the workers who are serving for us.
जैसा कि आपने देखा कि यहाँ की जनता, दिल्ली की जनता रिनोवेशन काम से और क्लीनिंग प्रोसेस से खुश तो है, लेकिन उनके मन में एक ये सवाल उठता है कि ये चीज़ें पहले क्यों नहीं की गई। इन्हीं की चीज़ को लेकर उनके मन में थोड़ा सा सवाल उठता है। कैमरा पर्सन बालाजी के साथ में गोपाल चौधरी, मास्को मीडिया।